Nick Jaworski, he's got a pretty interesting story. Wisconsin kid, grew up in Wisconsin, and in high school he was a soccer player. He played soccer and basketball. One day, his coach, a football coach at his high school, said, "Hey, come out here and try a kick for us." He did, he nails it, and he ends up being a fantastic high school kicker. Ends up thinking, okay, football is actually my trek, and so he ends up going down south to Mississippi State, eventually finding his way back to Minnesota. Didn't get to play football there, but the whole time he said he just wanted to be able to play in front of his family. So eventually he works his way into the IFL. He's now with the Green Bay Blizzard, and his family has season tickets, so they finally get to see him play every game.
A lot of perseverance there, no doubt.
Nick Jaworski out of Mississippi State, the 5'11" left-footed kicker for this Green Bay unit.
Green Bay has a really nice kicking game. Everything was just money. Really efficient. Just looked comfortable doing it.
It's a big kick by Jaworski right there.
Odd snap, and it is pushed through. Nick Jaworski came into this one 92% on extra points, make it 34 for 37. On its way, good! Put it in the basket. Nick Jaworski with his longest field goal of the year.
And the lefty nails it.
The lefty snap back.
Terrific field goal by the Green Bay Blizzard. Here's Jaworski.
Mississippi State product known for a massive leg.
Good heads-up play by Jaworski to be able to get the kickoff, listening and finishing the setup.
Important extra point here from Jaworski. Will Massachusetts stay undefeated, or will we have overtime in Green Bay?
We're going to overtime.
It's good. And Nick Jaworski sends us to overtime.
That came off his foot nicely.
That was straight down the middle.
Yeah, it was. Good chip shot either.
Nick Jaworski, 25 of his last 25 extra point attempts. #1 in the IFL in terms of extra point percentage. Good. Jaworski, 27 of his last 27.
That was a rocket from Jaworski.
Nick Jaworski, placement down. Here's his kick. It's on the way. This one looks to be good.
That's a huge kick. Jaworski has just sunk the dagger into the Quad City Steamwheelers.
Got the best percentage in league history at 96% so far this year.
Big accomplishments there for Nick Jaworski.
This is to keep Green Bay's season alive, to end this 23 straight loss streak against Sioux Falls. This kick could be a franchise-changing kick for Green Bay if they're able to win this game, get their first win against Sioux Falls.
Nick Jaworski from the right hash. Kick is good! Nick Jaworski wins it for Green Bay! Unbelievable!
He redeems himself.
Nick Jaworski wins it for Green Bay! Coach Corey Roberson is emotional after this win.
This is a franchise-changing win for Green Bay, getting their first ever win against Sioux Falls.
Unbelievable!
Green Bay's season is still alive due to the leg of Nick Jaworski.